Batch of 2013 had a feature writing professor, Bishwadeep Ghosh. Now he is a full-time author and has just come out with his latest book, Woof Woof, The Story of Bob the Dog. First break caught up with the author.
Today we have Mr. Bishwadeep Ghosh. He has been a journalist and he's written a book of poems. He's written 4 autobiographies, Hall of Fame on superstars, and now his dog is being famous. In SIMC, people have been talking a lot about Woof Woof, the story of Bob the dog. So why did you change your genre from writing about superstars to writing a dog book?
You see, like I told you, basically for a writer, number one, like I said, I was very, very inclined towards fiction. I mean, that's my key area, and I should have done it a long, long time ago. So the fact that I did it right now is a shame. But more than that, see, what happens is you can't, as a writer, if you have a certain kind of imaginative mindset, you can't predict what you want to do next. And the fact that I wrote biographies, they're purely circumstantial. I mean, it came to me when I was working in the industry as a journalist, full-time journalist. I've been there for like 20 odd years, gone that as a matter of fact. So when I started writing this, the biographies, they came to me. I was told, can you? I said, okay, fine. So that's how it worked. So it was not something where, I said, okay, fine, this is intentional. I want to do a book on Shah Rukh or whoever. The books did well commercially, they did really well, and therefore, one after the other kept on happening. But I got bored, very bored. To write it, frankly, I want to disown the book. But for the fact that, your name gets associated, so you can't do anything about it. As for fiction, frankly, I never thought I'll be writing children's fiction or fiction for children, which also kind of reaches out to documents.
How long did it take for you to write this book? And
I knew that was
the next one, how long did it take?
See, frankly, writing, the act of writing the book, something of this sort, should not take more than a month. Should not. See, but in this particular case, I took at least about 3 to 4 months to discover Bob's voice. Now I tell you what I mean by that. See, what happens is basically when you're writing something like this, as an adult, for example, you tend to use a lot of words which you would not use as a child. Number one. Number two, a child will have a certain kind of innocence which an adult would not. As they say, you lose innocence as you grow up. So basically, as far as I am concerned, getting that voice right was the tough part.
Looking forward to the next book.
Okay. Next book is going to come out. See, next book has a different focus.
Yeah.
But it's a sequel of this, basically. It's going to come out in December. I guess November, realistically. End of November. Yeah. And it's on. It's Bob.
He's writing about his brother.
Yeah, he's writing about his brother because his brother is a rescued pup, a guy called Jack, and so the book is called My Brother Jack. So it's basically on this thing that Bob starts behaving like an adult. He thinks he's bigger than he is, and he sort of disowns a lot of thoughts which he had in the first book, and he says, I was completely wrong. I'm grown up now, I'm a big boy.
We have this book. Now it's making a buzz in Symbiosis. We hope that Bob becomes a household name in about a month now, and his brother Jack, who's coming to town in December. We hope that he gets the same response. And thank you, sir, for talking to us. Thank you.
This sem garnered a lot of controversy in the Marcom batch. Khushbu Ramchandani talked to her classmates and discusses more of these issues. Let's see what they have to say.
When every semester comes to an end, each student has got something good or bad to say about the subject and about the semester or the teachers. Keeping this in mind, the team of First Break has set out to interview a few communication management students and ask them what is their take on this semester. Abhinandan Sridhar has got the story for you.
With yet another semester looming to a close, here at Symbiosis Institute of Media and Communication. Today we decided to interview a bunch of students and ask them how they felt about their final year in college. Incidentally, it's also the last year, which means that it's specialization year, as in students who are bifurcated into communication and management and mass communication in their second year are then further bifurcated into their specialization streams in their third year. Today, we have the communication management students here with us to talk about their experiences of their penultimate semester in college. We have Gayatri Ilangovan from the advertising batch of the third year, Chitra Surana, who's also from the advertising batch, and we have Amar and Kunal, who are from the PR batch, and of course we have Khushbu, who's also from the advertising batch. Thanks so much for being with us at First Break here, guys. Thank you so much. Starting off, I'd like to ask you all, how has the specialization semester, the first of the two specialization semesters, been for you all? If we could start off with Kunal, that would be great.
It has been good. Like I wasn't very, the study wasn't very focused. Now I'm into PR, so obviously the study is very focused, and I'm getting insights of PR industry.
All right, thank you so much. Amar, would you like to add to that?
I'd like to say that, as communication management students, the least we can expect from our own college management is good communication, and which I couldn't see.
All right, Amar says there's a problem with the scheduling. Do you agree with that, Chitra?
I would like to contradict it rather, because the schedules and all, since we have visiting faculty, which is, they are professionals, so it actually depends on them and not on the college. They are working professionals and their schedules don't allow sometime. I think the college, the semester has been brilliant so far.
What's good about our college is that they at least try to get in professionals from the industry. So you have an overall exposure and understanding about the industry. Everybody's got their own views. They share their opinions, which is a good thing.
Like we do have faculty members from BBA coming and teaching us, and when we compare our faculty with theirs is a very spoon-fed sort of method of teaching. Like they give us all the notes, they even give us a question bank and things like that, which normally we are not used to.
Amar says that the third year is not the right year to streamline your approach and have a varied opinion, rather than focus on certain things and get it done. Which takes us to the second question. Guys, let me ask you, what do you think of the modules you've had as students this time? I've heard of you mentioning a few. There was design technology mentioned. I've also heard you guys had market research as one of the subjects, and there was account planning, media planning, client servicing. You had event planning as a PR student. So how varied or how diverse were your subjects this semester compared to last year in communication management? Would you like to take that?
I think this time it was more practical, because we did, client servicing, we didn't do anything theoretical, but we still did have a pitching session.
The kind of subjects we had, the diversity in the subjects we had, is actually very good for us. Reason being, when you have accountancy, you have brand manager as well. A lot of us later in life, we want to open our own agency or are willing entrepreneurs. So it's very important for you to know the inside out accountancy. You want to know brand management also, because you want to make your own child being in the future later.
He mentioned that in market research we had a lot of assignments, and I agree to the point that it put too much pressure on the students, and as a fact that towards the end you kind of got a little tired of the subject and you didn't really focus much on your other subjects, and the pressure was a lot. But you can't really also blame the college, because that's the way the teacher teaches.
See, the reason we put a question mark in front of college is that MR, unlike other subjects, had too many assignments. We had no idea where assignments were going, which were evaluated, which were not evaluated. Makes it tough for your own self to judge yourself, your performance, for one. Second thing, we were given an option to how the teaching method should in the class be like PPT or like lectures. We opted for the second one, that was in class. But then burdening with assignments when we have a set pattern in college, that's actually not fair, because you have no idea where you are going and you have no idea where the module is going. So makes it very, very tough for you, for one. Second thing, innovative techniques, talking about the innovative techniques in class. This time we actually had many innovative techniques like HR and accountancy. We were watching movies, we were playing games inside the classroom area. So obviously makes the learning fun, and plus, honestly speaking, what we learned from accountancy classes were little less than what we learned from the movies, if I'm not wrong.
So we can take a head count that any subject can be made innovative and fun. All right. All right. Thank you so much, guys. Thank you so much for joining me here for First Break. We had Kunal sum it up for us. The thing is, a little bit of review is required when it comes to the teaching patterns adopted by the teachers here at SIMCUG, especially for the communication management segment. They seem to be young and bright, they seem to be enjoying the classes, and we seem to be having a great time putting it up for you. Here, this is Abhinandan Sridhar signing off from First Break, along with Anugya Chitransh, who's the photographer. Thank you.
First Break got you talent from the entire SIMC campus. Next sem, we're planning to rope in SID and SCMS, the entire Symbiosis Viman Nagar campus. This episode has Amey Ghule. He has given his voice to many ads and also plays, where Shali Sati has more.
He's in several ad jingles, the most recent one being for Coke. He's the voice of Chhattisgarh and has been applauded by none other than Shafqat Amanat Ali. Amey Ghule is literally the voice of SIMC.
Welcome Amey to First Break. How did your interest in music begin?
म्यूज़िक एक्चुअली फैमिली से है हमको. वो फैमिली में मतलब दादाजी वगैरह जो है all musicians and they used to learn into teaching and also. So म्यूज़िक ब्लड से आया. फिर later I started मतलब मैं तबला की ट्रेनिंग ली है. 4 साल में तबला सीखा है. And recently I'm learning like western classical piano सीख रहा हूँ. Vocals थोड़ा बहुत ट्रेनिंग लिया लेकिन ज़्यादा कुछ थर्ड में तो like it's all from blood and by God's grace I guess.
What have been your achievements?
I'm from Bhilai, Chhattisgarh. So वहाँ पे competition was a state level competition, Voice of Chhattisgarh. So I was the winner of it. And वहाँ पे और भी state level competitions हैं तो उस पे जीते हैं. When I came here in Pune, I went to all these college fests, Mood Indigo and Malhar in St. Xavier's. So in Mood I reached till the finals. We got a chance to perform and with the famous band Strings. Then Malhar I went twice. Earlier I came third in outstation list. The recent one I came first in the overall list and I was judged by Shankar Mahadevan and Shreya Ghoshal.
Amey, we heard that Shafqat Amanat Ali applauded you. Tell us more about it.
Yeah, he came here in the Symbiosis Auditorium. It was a national tour of his. So he came here and he just called a random singer on the stage. So I went there, I sang with him and he really liked my performance. He said that हो सकता है अगली बार हम जब यहाँ पे आएंगे तो सर आपका शो कहीं और चल रहा होगा. So a nice moment it was.
What do you plan to do in future? Being an AV student, what do you have set in store for you?
I really want to get into music production. Of course the AV specialization background is really helping me because I'm able to understand all the film aesthetics and the requirement of music and the background score and how it should go according to like different styles and different genres of films.
Alright Amey, thank you for being on the show. Best of luck for your future endeavors. Thank you.
किस ओर चला है तू क्या पाया नहीं तूने क्या ढूंढ रहा है तू जो है कहीं जो है सुनी वो बात क्या है बता मितवा कहे धड़कन तुझसे क्या मितवा ये खुद से तो ना तू छुपा.
The fifth semester at SIMC comes to an end with the East Side story, and so does First Break. Bushra Faiz has a roundup of how the sem has been.
After a long string of tedious classes and tests, the semester is coming to an end. With exams approaching in a week, here is what a few students have to say about the semester.
We have with us Sayukta, a second year student from SIMC. So Sayukta, tell us how has the semester been for you?
It's been really great. This semester has had a lot of new things to provide to us. A lot of AV, little less jono, but yeah, it was really nice.
So Jasmita, tell me, how's the semester been for you?
Awesome.
We have with us Parth Nair, who's a third year in SIMC. So hi Parth.
Hello, hi.
Okay, so tell me, how's the semester been for you? You know, third year and everything. How's everything been so far?
It's been pretty okay. The pressure of studying has gone down. Yeah, it's pretty fun. The combination of theoretical and practical stuff has been very good. We're actually getting to learn some good cinematography, camera movements and lighting and etc. So it's pretty cool.
This semester has witnessed a series of activities right from the release of the second edition of our in-house magazines, Out Loud and Undergrad, to the participation in Malhar, SIU tournament, cultural events, and now tests.
Recently we have had this the East Side Story short film festival, which was pretty amazing. They executed it perfectly. It was a complete student activity, and I was extremely happy to see that something like this can be done, fully executed by students to perfection. So great.
So what are you looking forward to in the next semester?
I'm looking forward to an extension of all of this and a lot of new other things.
Since it's our last year, it's basically going to be enjoying the city and enjoying the college as much as possible. And in terms of college, since it's the last year, it's more specialized. Possibly, hopefully, make a really good film before passing out.
So how would you rate this semester out of 10?
Out of 10 this semester, I would give it a 8, I guess.
Okay, alright. So tell me, how much would you rate this semester out of 10? 8. So how much would you rate this semester out of 10?
9. 7.5.
So on a scale of 10, tell me how much would you rate this semester?
This, I think a 7.
Okay, so tell me what's been, the most highlighted gossip of your batch this semester.
Well, it's been Panchgani trip, and ironically enough, we haven't been there. And everybody's been talking about, okay, Panchgani this, Panchgani that, and everything's gonna change. But very ironically, we haven't been there, and everybody keeps discussing, I heard this, I heard that.
This semester, what would be the gossip that's going around in the batch?
The gossip, there've been, I don't know, I can't narrow out one gossip, but...
So tell me, what's the, cooking gossip of your batch this semester?
Gossip of the batch. There's some gossip all the time, but I don't think it's anything that's scandalous that needs to be spoken about. So.
That's all for this SEM. We'll come up next SEM with more exciting news. This is Shivani Singh signing off.
First of all, heartiest congratulations to Shivani and her team for successful completion of third episode of First Break. ये SIMC UG का पहला ब्रॉडकास्ट न्यूज़ बुलेटिन था, ब्रॉडकास्ट टेलीविज़न न्यूज़ बुलेटिन, जो इस बैच ने 2013 बैच ने बैच के जर्नलिज्म स्पेशलाइजेशन की कुछ लड़कियों ने मिलके ये इनिशिएटिव लिया और सक्सेसफुल कंप्लीट किया. सो आई एम वेरी हैप्पी. दे वर्क वेरी हार्ड और पहले एपिसोड के लिए बहुत मेहनत करके बहुत ज़्यादा टाइम लिया. बाद में 2 एपिसोड बहुत अच्छे से उन्होंने जल्दी किए एंड दे कम और विथ द मिस्टेक्स फ्रॉम फर्स्ट एपिसोड एंड आई थिंक दे शुड कीप इट अप दिस विथ इन नेक्स्ट सेमेस्टर ऑल्सो and they have set the good example for upcoming batches, journalism specialist batches. It's not easy 15-20 मिनट का ब्रॉडकास्ट न्यूज़ बुलेटिन बनाना बहुत ही डिफ़िकल्ट है और मेरे ख्याल से बहुत ही अच्छा किया है. ऑल द बेस्ट. सो आई एम लुकिंग फॉर 4th एपिसोड इन जनवरी. ओके शिवानी, बाय. ठीक है.